I'm Leah Powell. This is a day in the life of a maintenance assistant. So I started as a maintenance assistant. It's a great stepping stone to get into Hydro Tasmania, to develop the skills, have the mentoring and support from a business that is encouraging people to do that. I then went through to become an electrician, did my trade with the company, and now in the area coordination role. A typical day is liaising with the team, coordinating repairs and maintenance on the machines. Some of the equipment we would use would be the overhead gantry crane, boats, drones. Our team is really diverse. The lack of big family, well, we spend a lot of time at work, so having that network and support is really good. I actually had 2 children. They've been really supportive, especially with pregnancies, maternity leave, and then reintroducing back into the workforce. Join us and be part of Tasmania's energy future.